Hi everyone, this is Anne again. Now in this video, I'm going to share with you an app in Canva to create a shape such as this. Now this shape can be turned into a seamless pattern or a pattern for your print-on-demand product. I have used this pattern to create fabric products in Spoonflower. This is my design. This is the one. This is how I create the design with these shapes by using an app in Canva for free. So let's get started. Now, go to the app. This is the app where you can search all the app over here. Now in the search bar, you search for this can squirrel circle, something like that. I think I pronounced it correctly. I hope so. Now, as soon as you type this, even though I typed wrongly, it come up with this. Okay. Now you need to use this app. Okay. Now, how I come up with this is you just have to, uh, if this doesn't show, if it's what you see on your screen as soon as you get into this app, it will show you this a standard option selection. So what you need to do is you have to click this all. Now, if give you independence, it's written here independence, it means you can control the shape, the round shape into this. Now, let's try it now. Okay, let's try it now. This is how I do it. Okay, now you can actually change this to white color. Now, they also give you an option to corner smoothing, which I'm going to put to 100. And if you do not want a solid color, you can choose outline. Okay, but in this case, for my pattern, I have to use solid. All right, so I'm going to turn this to white. And then add to my design. So just make sure everything is okay. All right, now the good thing is you can even change the color once you actually uh, add to design in this canvas. You can just change this color that you want. But for my case, I just want white because I'm going to show you how I come up with this. Okay. Now I'm going to make it bigger until you see. I'm going to change this color first. I'll turn this to white so you can see what I'm doing. Now I'm going to change this to drag this shape into um, a quarter of the canvas page here. Now, how I know it is a quarter? As long as soon as you can see this Canva automatically borderline, then your shape is actually fit into one of the square. So what you do is you just have to turn it around to 45 degree and make it slightly smaller. What I'm doing here is I click on keyboard alternate and then just drag zoom in and out to make it smaller. And the shape is not out of shape. So what I do is I'll just have to align it, or you can just drag until the middle border here. Then I'm going to duplicate again. Okay, and duplicate this both. I make sure it's both is aligned. All right. Okay. So I'm going to group this and duplicate this. And turn this around to 90 degree. Okay, this is how I create this design and use it for my pattern in my spoonflower pattern. Now, if you want to change the color, it's very easy. Just click one of the color. Let's say I want to change this background to red, back to my original design over here. And I change this design color to white. Now what you do is change all. Simple as that. Then you have to group everything together and make sure it's a position that is correct. Okay, group it and then make it smaller, and you can duplicate and make it a design again. Okay, duplicate this and make it into a design. So it's all up to you how you want to position each of this design over here. For me, I have turned this simple app, easy to use app, into this design and duplicate into another tree and make it a design and turn into this pattern. Okay, I think that's about it. This is simple and easy app to use. I hope you will give a try and give your comment and see what is the result on your side. Okay, thank you so much and thank you for watching.